Building one simple device may help lower your power bills over time. People are working toward lower energy costs and greater energy independence by adding one unusual component to a basic generator setup. If you're struggling with rising electricity bills, frequent power outages, grid dependency, or concern about blackouts, pay attention. Energy researchers examining Edison's original patents uncovered that many energy cost issues could stem from one root cause that isn't grid inefficiency. They revealed that many high energy bill problems might be improved by following a simple evening routine. This breakthrough has thousands following a simple assembly process every weekend, with many finding they could potentially reduce their electricity bills. This has nothing to do with expensive solar panels, noisy wind turbines, or complicated installations. This Edison-inspired method could help you work toward energy independence and worry less about power outages or rate hikes, while your electricity meter might run more efficiently. People are reporting improvements soon after implementation. This is your chance to join homeowners who have worked to address their energy problems. Without exploring this option, you could spend years in financial stress, dreading monthly bills, and living with concern about grid failures while paying increasingly higher rates. Click below and see how you can start testing this method at home right now.